Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on Chrome browser. First of all, go to Chrome browser and go to three dot and select settings. Then select appearance and open Chrome Web Store. Then select any wallpaper to change your Chrome browser. For example, I like this wallpaper. Then select Add to Chrome. Easy to change a Chrome browser wallpaper. Select New tab. Then this method is very easy to change Chrome browser in any computer, laptop, tablet, mobile. Then select change another wallpaper. Go to Chrome Web Store and select for example this one and add to Chrome. Go to New tab. This is an easy method to change any browser wallpaper. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.